A grim forecast from the CDC. The agency is reporting how many deaths we could see in the U.S. by the 4th of July. ABC's Zorian Shah has new guidelines that include wearing a mask and avoiding large gatherings.
With the U.S. death toll from COVID-19 now at nearly 115,000, the CDC with a grim prediction saying as many as 25,000 more Americans could die from the virus by July 4th. Amid continued protests following the death of George Floyd and news that President Trump will once again be holding campaign rallies, the CDC publishing new guidelines urging people to wear masks and saying the places with the highest risk are large in-person gatherings where attendees travel from outside the local area. Some states now pulling back after beginning to ease restrictions. In Utah, reopening plans put on hold for a week by the governor. After Oregon logged its single highest daily number of cases, reopening plans paused for a week there as well.
This is essentially a statewide yellow light.
In neighboring Washington state, Yakima County accounts for just 3% of the population, but nearly half the new cases this week. And surprisingly, 50% of those confirmed cases are people under 40 years old. Another hotspot, Arizona. Yuma County with a disturbing increase in cases. Officials there urging everyone to follow those CDC guidelines. But Texas still moving forward, allowing restaurants at 75% capacity, even as the state's hospitalization rate has jumped 42% since Memorial Day.
Some people don't know that the coronavirus is not gone, and they're treating it like it's gone.
Florida confirming 2,581 cases on Saturday, a 35% increase over what had been the state's single-day high of 1,902 cases reported on Friday. As Miami beaches reopened this weekend, the city's mayor expressing concern.
I always said when we started opening that there were two paths, the path of responsibility and the path of irresponsibility. And unfortunately, we're starting to see behavior that concerns me deeply.
Dr. Anthony Fauci telling ABC News, we will get through this.
This will end. It will end with a combination of public health measures and ultimately science coming in and getting durable solutions, such as treatments and vaccines.
Zorian Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.